Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the achievement tracker in your game when you're playing on your Xbox Series X. So you can see all the different achievements for Fortnite on the bottom right side of the screen. Now you can change the location of this too, but to turn this on, press the Xbox button, then tab on over using R1 to game activity, and then we can press the button with the two little boxes on the controller, and we can turn this on or off. So we can turn it on or off just by selecting this. Otherwise, we can select this with A, and we can turn it on right here. And you can see all the different achievements. So we can go to default now, and we can go by gamer score, most common. So let's go to most common. So it looks like Gunsmith is the most common right here. Now it doesn't give you a description on the achievement bar, but you can read it when you're in this screen actually. So now when we go back to the game, we can see all the different achievements on the bottom right side of this screen. So I'm going to hover up in the air right now and get away from this thing attacking me. But let's go back to it and then read the achievements. And then we can go to edit right here. And these are the different settings for it. So you can move the location of it. And you can place more achievements on here if you want. So we can go up to 5. And then the transparency too. So let's go back. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.